Welcome to piano lesson number 4. Today we are going to be talking about naming the white keys, A through G, and we're going to be playing a song using those letter names. All right? So first things first, in review, we've talked about sets of 2 black keys, and we talked about sets of 3 black keys. We also know what finger number we're supposed to use based on what it says. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on our left hand. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on our right hand. We've talked about dynamics. Forte means loud and piano means soft. And we are now ready to go ahead and learn a new thing today. So the white keys. The best thing to do is just to memorize what the name of one of the white keys is, and then you can figure out the rest. So the musical alphabet is A through G. We don't have an H in music, it's just A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then it repeats over and over again. So let's go ahead and get started. The one that most people will learn is C. Now C is the white key that is to the left of the 2 black keys. So this key right here, all right? So let's find a set of 2 black keys and let's go to our left of that and let's play that together. Ready? Push it down. Now see if you can find a different C. Ready? Find a different C on the piano. How about a lower C than that? How about a really high C? Do you have a higher one than that? Good job. So those are all different C's. So here's the one I started with. Now, if you go to the right one white key, that is a D, because D comes after C in the alphabet, right? A, B, C, D. Now, what do you think this key is going to be? Good, it's an E. So E is to the right of the 2 black keys. So here's our E. See if you can find a different E. Find a different E. And a different E. But one more E. That one's really low. Good job. Let's go back to the middle E here. Now we're going to go over one key to the right again. And if this is E, what's this one? Good, that is an F, because F comes after E in the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F. So let's play our F. And it's to the left of the 3 black keys, so find a different F. Find a different F. Find one more F. Good job. Go back to the middle there. Now we're going to go over one more. And this is a, you guessed it, G. So we have a G here. It's to the left of the 2 middle ones here in the 3 black keys. So we have 3 black keys. There's 2 middle white keys. It's the one on the left. That's our G, as in goat. Let's find a different G. Find one more G. Go back to middle. Now let's go over one more key. And this is a, we don't have an H in music, so we go back to the beginning of the alphabet. So we're going to play an A. Find a different A. Find another A. And go back to the beginning. And we're going to go over again to the right. This is a B. We have a B here. Different B. Find a different B. Go back to the middle. And if we go over one more, that brings us back to, good, our C. All right, so you get the idea. There are a bunch of C's and A's and B's all the way across the keyboard because it goes 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. It's a pattern, it repeats. All right, now if you go from one C to another C, or from one D to another D, and so on, that is called an octave. O-C-T-A-V-E, octave. Oct means 8, like an octopus has 8 legs, 8 tentacles. And so oct means 8. So there's 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 between those 2 notes, D and D, or E and E, or F and F, okay? Octave. Cool beans. All right. So let's go ahead and look at a song now that's going to use letter names instead of using just fingers, right? So this song here is called Batter Up, And it starts with our RH, which is which hand? Okay, that should be your right hand. All right. And in the picture, kind of confusing, but you can kind of see it says A, B, C, D, E. All right. And if you'll notice, it says thumbs on middle C. So middle C is the C. It's right in the middle of the piano. It's this C right here. So if your C sounds like that, you found it. So we're gonna put both of our thumbs on that C. So you're gonna put your right thumb on it, and your pointer finger on the next finger, and your middle finger, so next key, and your middle finger on the next key. And you're also gonna put your left hand thumb on that same key. So they're actually gonna share the space. I would recommend having maybe one thumb up like this, and they'll take turns playing this C. So again, your thumbs are gonna take turns playing that C, depending on if it says RH or LH. If it says RH, use this thumb. If it says LH, you're gonna use this thumb, okay? So we start with RH, so go ahead and put your hand there and have your other hand there ready to go with your thumb in the air, okay? And we're gonna play very slowly this song. It starts with C, then it goes to D, then it goes to E, and the E is a half note, so we hold it for how many beats again for half notes? If you said 2, you are correct, all right? For half note, here we go. 1, 2, nice and slow. C, D, E, E, D, C, stop. We're gonna stop right there and do that again. So this is just our right hand. Make sure your fingers are arched like this, like you're holding a ball as always. And we're just gonna use these 3 fingers. The other 2, the pinky and ring finger, can kind of just hang out there. They're not gonna do anything. Ready? Let's try it again. 1, 2, start with our thumb, ready, and C, D, E, E, D, C. Okay? And then it says LH, that means that we're gonna play with our left hand, but we're gonna start with the same key that we were playing with our right hand. So but we're gonna go C, B, A, B, C. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. C, B, A, B, C, 2, 3, 4, off. Okay? Now I want you to notice that on this song there is 2 dots, and that is called a repeat sign. A repeat sign means that you go back and do it again. Now, if there was another repeat sign at the beginning with like 2 dots here and there was 2 dots on the end, it's kind of like a teleportation device. You would just go back to wherever the first repeat sign was at. But in this case, we just have 1 repeat sign. So this just means go back to the very beginning of the song and play it all the way through again, okay? So let's go ahead and play this song, and we're gonna play this song 2 times. So we're gonna be switching back and forth between our right hand and our left hand. So go ahead and put both of your thumbs on this C, right hand thumb there, and your left hand thumb maybe in the air, ready to go to take its place. And we'll get started. Ready? And don't forget to take a repeat. And don't forget, arch those fingers. Here we go. 1, 2, nice and slow. C, D, E, E, D, C. Switch hands and C, B, A, B, C. 2, repeat, ready, and C, D, E, E, D, C. Switch hands and C, B, A, B, C. 2, 3, 4, stop. So I actually switched my hands, but you guys should have both hands there the whole time. So hopefully you heard that. So I was switching hands like this because I'm holding the camera, but you guys should have both of your hands there the whole time, okay? And that is how we play the white keys. So we now know the names of the white keys. We know that this is a good C, this is a D, E, F, yep, G, A, B, and C. Excellent job. So we have multiple C's across the piano. We got multiple F's across the piano. and so forth. So if you guys get really good at naming the white keys, you will be a pro and you'll be ready for the next lesson. All right, have fun.